Hi guys and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how to recover deleted TikTok messages. So to get started. First, open your TikTok app and navigate to chat section now. To demonstrate this clearly, I'm going to delete my TikTok messages first. Next, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right, then tap the three-line menu also known as the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Account. Here, you'll see an option called Download Your Data. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, just wait a moment. This page will show you all the types of data you can request from TikTok. You'll also need to choose the file format you prefer, such as TXT or JSON. Once that's done, tap the big pink button that says Request Data. After you've submitted the request, TikTok will start processing it. Swipe over to the Download Data tab at the top of the screen. Here, you'll see your request listed as pending. TikTok usually takes up to 4 days to prepare your data. Once it's ready, you'll be able to download everything including your profile info, activity log, and even your messages. And that's it, you are done.